What's up, guys? Today is the 4th of April. I'd say sucks to be a hold of options today. I'll show you the two trades that I took today. We'll start off with Q. Yeah, so with Nasdaq, I just went in short here, covered the high. Like my entry looked something like that, and I just held for like 1 hour just to the low, so I took a decent profit. 570 was like, I think, more close to here. Fucking, let's read it out. 570. I went in like on a sell stop, so that was like a little scary here, but I know it wasn't like that. I know, but it was like about 1 hour. Yeah, imagine I would have held for longer, but it was like in the early morning for me, and I already had like losses. I don't care. It was like 200 something bucks. That was alright. But that would have been like 2 grand. Yeah, well, like the first trade today, and then the second trade was on soy. Was like right after New York Open. I just went in market or on a sell stop. I know it was market to sell stop. That was a sell stop. Went in a sell stop. I scaled in here, market, and then I collapsed here. Because it kind of started to act weirdly on the 1 minute. Was like, did a couple of gaps, and usually I absolutely don't like it when it starts doing gaps, especially when it's a quote-unquote a key area, because it's indicative of a low forming. And I also took like home $250 in that move. So long story short, I was able to pretty much recover all of my drawdown which I had from the end of last week, because I've ridden myself into like fucking $800 of drawdown. And now I was able to get back from that without any gambling or shit like that, just consistent trades. And yeah, I'll just look forward to next week. Maybe I'll be able to get to 2 grand. And yeah, because like 2 grand was like always like my goal, which I want to achieve before getting a payout. And yeah, that's like my plan: get to 2 grand, pull out 400 to 500 bucks, and then yeah, just continue trading, and then with the money finance a new eval, and then chill my balls. Yeah. What else, man? Yeah, I had some S&P calls which I bought at about 5,900 with a strike price of 50.70. So like it's knockout options. So like once they get to 50.70, like they get liquidated. And yeah, pretty much I had that, and the shit did hit 570 today, and yeah, I'm down $200 on my stock portfolio. There are like unrealized losses, which because like I have like stocks and everything, and I really don't care how much they are down, but yeah, it's just like a realized loss of 200, which kind of fucking sucks balls. But considering the fact that here in futures everything has been going somewhat alright over the past weeks, I don't care. I'll just view this, what I do here, as hedging. And yeah, ideally I want to buy some stocks maybe next week, because I think next week we might see, I don't want to call it a crash, but like, yeah, I think like next week I definitely anticipated for price to continue to go low, especially for like soy too, because kind of the whole tariffs have completely fucked up the grain market for the producers, because like the prices are just going to the fucking bottom, and yeah, because they can't sell the shit to China anymore, as far as I understood. And yeah, so yeah, I don't know. See you guys.
Dime pa' dónde vamos después de la playa, si no se camó.